Surprise your loved ones with a simple and quick decoration that works perfectly as a gift or a sweet addition to the holiday table. Start by taking a rectangular piece of cellophane and arranging 5 Ferrero Rocher chocolates in a row. Roll the cellophane slowly and evenly to form a neat tube. Make sure the cellophane fits snugly around the chocolates, but isn't too tight to avoid damaging the delicate treats. Cut a few pieces of string and tie them between each chocolate, pressing gently to shape them. Ensure the string holds firmly but doesn't squash the chocolates. Trim any excess string for a clean look. Fold the ends of the cellophane upward and tie them together with string to form a circular shape. Add a small decoration, like a bauble, attaching it to the top of the wreath. Finally, use a decorative ribbon to tie a bow at the top, completing the elegant look. Done. Your festive Ferrero Rocher wreath is not only beautiful but also delicious. This decoration makes a perfect gift or a unique centerpiece for your Christmas table. This idea will surely impress your family and guests. Start with 2 bottles of liquid soap. Choose lightly colored, transparent soaps for the best effect. Carefully remove the labels from the bottles. This step is crucial, and you'll see why shortly. Next, gather small, festive decorations that can fit through the bottle's opening. Open the soap bottle and add your chosen holiday-themed decorations. For a striking look, use colorful decorations. Once you've added them, close the bottle and gently shake it to evenly distribute the decorations in the soap. Thanks to the label removal, the floating decorations are fully visible, creating a stunning effect. Place these festive soap bottles in your bathroom, where they'll undoubtedly catch everyone's attention. This decorative hack brings a holiday vibe to your space and is a guaranteed hit. It's an affordable and quick way to add a festive touch. These soaps also make thoughtful, unique holiday gifts. Get rid of all the bugs in your home for just 4 zloty. It's a brilliant method that replaces harmful chemical preparations. You'll have a pleasantly smelling home, free from insects. Just do a simple thing. We'll show you how to take care of your home to get rid of ants, moths, flies, and mosquitoes. Use simple products that you already have at home. You'll be surprised to see how suddenly all the flies disappear after a short time. You'll need regular bar soap and dry cloves. Go to the spice cabinet and grab some cloves. Stick the cloves into the soap. You'll need from 20 to 30 cloves and 1 bar of your chosen soap. The scent of the soap is irritating to flies and ants. Cloves are the best insect repellent. They repel bugs as long as they smell. The combination of soap and cloves has an even greater effect. Ants, moths, and even bedbugs hate their smell. Instead of health-harming preparations, this method is completely safe. Soap with cloves placed next to the laptop on the desk protects against mosquitoes. Left in the kitchen cabinet, it repels all food moths and ants. If you put such a bar on the clothing shelf, moths won't touch them. It also repels bugs from the outside. Put cloves under the bed. Start using them not only in the kitchen. This spice has more uses than you think. However, few people take advantage of them. Have you ever used cloves on the windowsill? Or by the door? Have you ever tried keeping them under the bed? This application of cloves will solve many problems in the house. And you'll regret not knowing about it earlier. Just 1 tablespoon of cloves is enough. Grind them in a grinder or blender. This will extract a more intense fragrance from them. Transfer the ground cloves to a bowl. Sprinkle a pinch of cloves on the windowsill, by the wall. Also, sprinkle them in front of the front door or the entrance from the terrace. Instead of sprinkling cloves, you can place a bowl with them in these places. Leave them on the windowsill, by the front door, or under the bed. You can mix ground cloves with warm water. After some time, strain them through gauze into a spray bottle. You can spray such water in places where insects and bugs appear. Cloves repel ants, wasps, silverfish, bedbugs, and even spiders. You can also get rid of cats from the garden. Just spray the ground with water with cloves. You can also spray your skin to repel mosquitoes. As you can see, cloves will come in handy wherever you don't want pests and insects. Insert cloves into a mosquito repellent plug-in and see what happens. Try this trick with an electric raid or bros repellent, and you won't regret it. Everyone knows what it is and how it works. The plug-in allows you to sleep peacefully through the night. The liquid inside it repels mosquitoes, other flying insects, and ants. All you need to do is plug it in, and the plug-in element will start to heat up. Then, the insect repellent liquid begins to evaporate and float in the air. The plug-in refills are replaceable. When the liquid runs out in one container, you grab another. But what do you do when the liquid runs out and you don't have another refill? There's a solution for that. Don't throw away the empty bottle. Unscrew the refill. Remove the stopper with the long element from it. It's only inserted by pressing, so you can easily remove it. Put a couple of cloves into the bottle. A dozen or so cloves will suffice. Cloves are small, so there's no problem fitting them into the container. Now, take some rubbing alcohol and pour it over the cloves. Don't fill it to the top. You can add your favorite essential oil. Most natural oils have insect repellent properties, so you'll only enhance the effectiveness of this new homemade repellent. Close the bottle. This homemade replenishing liquid is cheaper. It repels all insects, and its ingredients are natural. All you have to do is plug it in. You can use it in the bedroom, kitchen, or to protect your favorite plants. This potato will make your flowers grow like crazy. Check out this simple way to make a homemade fertilizer that will have your plants blooming like never before. You'll make it using ingredients you already have at home. First, grab a potato and cut it in half. Then, peel each half. Next, grate the potato halves. Once grated, place the potatoes into a blender. Add 5 cloves and a liter of water. Blend everything thoroughly until you get a smooth mixture. Then, strain the mixture through a fine sieve to remove any solid pieces. Pour the liquid into a bottle with a spout to make watering easier. Now, just water the soil around your flowers with this natural fertilizer. Regular use of this elixir will provide your plants with all the essential nutrients they need. You'll soon see them growing and blooming faster than ever. No more mold on walls or musty smell. Start by grabbing 2 small bowls. Pour rice into each of them, making sure not to use instant or quick cooking rice, as these types are pre-cooked and can mold more easily. Rice naturally absorbs moisture. Next, you'll need cloves. Place a few cloves in each bowl of rice. Cloves have strong antifungal and antibacterial properties, helping to prevent mold and mildew growth. Now, take bay leaves. Add 4 or 5 leaves to each bowl. Bay leaves also possess antifungal and antibacterial qualities, plus their scent helps neutralize unwanted odors. Place these bowls on windowsills, shelves, or in the bathroom. By combining rice with cloves and bay leaves in a bowl, you're creating a natural solution to combat moisture and mold in your home. This setup not only improves air quality, but also brings a pleasant aroma to the space.